All right, question 19. At the lunch stand, each hamburger has 50 more calories than each order of fries. If two hamburgers and three orders of fries have a total of 1,700 calories, how many calories does a hamburger have? Okay, so what we have here is we know we have two type of foods. We have hamburger and fries. We know the total number of calories, and each hamburger has 50 more calories than fries. We gotta figure out how many calories does hamburger have. So we don't know either one of them, right? We don't know how many calories does hamburger have. We don't know how many calories does fries have. So here we actually have two unknowns. We have two unknowns. We need two equations to solve for them. Okay, so this is a system of equation word problem. So we had to first write out our two equations first. Okay, but before we write the equation, let's go and define our variable. So let's just say if we have, so let x represent the number of calories, right? The number of calories of hamburgers, okay, of a hamburger, okay, the calorie of a hamburger, and then y, we can use it to represent the number of calories of a fries, okay, of a fries, okay. So what we have here is, you can also use h and f, right? So the variable doesn't matter what you pick, but yeah, I'll just use x and y. So first, our equation is, we can write out an equation based on the total number of calories, right? So that two hamburgers and three fries should add up to 1,700. So let's say that's 2 times h, excuse me, 2 times x. Okay, that would be the total number of calories in the hamburger. And then we said y is each order of fries, right? So we have three order of them. So we'll do 3 times y. That should equal to 1,700. So that's the total number of calories for all the hamburgers and all the fries. Okay. And then the second equation have to come from this number 50, right? We know each hamburger has 50 more calories than each order of fries. Okay, so I have to be careful when we write this equation. So hamburger has more calories. And each hamburger has 50 more calories than fries. So pretty much hamburger, the number of calories for hamburger is 50 more than the number of calories of fries. So that means hamburger is x, right, and fries is y. So pretty much x is 50 more than y. Right? So to translate that into an equation, you have x is 50 more than y. We'll say x is, so x is equal to 50 more than y. So let's say that's 50 plus y. Okay, so x is equal to 50 plus y. So that will be our second equation. So a common mistake here is that we tend to put 50 with x. Right? Some student says x plus 50 equal to y. That would be wrong. Okay, so I had to think through this. The hamburger has more calories, so x is a bigger number, right? So y has less calories, so fries have less calories, so y should be a smaller number. So the smaller number plus a 50, that will equal to the bigger number. So the equation is equal on both sides. Okay, so we think through this had to make sense here. All right. Then to solve the system equation, we can do either substitution or elimination. But for this question, I think it's better to do a substitution since we already have the second equation is x equal to 50 plus y. So I already have x by itself. Okay, so if we do a substitution, we can just go ahead and take that and we're going to substitute it where x is into the first equation. Okay, because we know x is actually equal to 50 plus y. So we can rewrite this. Now the first equation is 2 times instead of x. We're going to put 50 plus y plus the 3y equal to 1,700. Okay. And now we our equation. Now to solve from here, we can distribute the 2. And that will give us 2 times 50 is 100. Plus 2 times y is 2y plus another 3y equal to 1,700. And this will be 100 plus common like terms. 100 plus 5y equal to 1,700. And we can subtract 100 on both sides. Okay, we get 5y equal to, this is 1,600. And to solve for y, we can divide by 5 on both sides. Okay, so 1,600 divided by 5. You can write it on the side. We do a long division here. 5 going to 16 3 times, right? 3 times 5 is 15, subtract 1. Right, subtract that, we remainder is 1, and then carry on 0. 5 going to 10 2 times, so 2 times 9, 10. And that remainder is 0, so don't forget, so you have another 0 there. So it should be 320. Okay, so y equals 320. So that's our y value, which represents the number of calories for an order of fries. But the question asks us how many calories does a hamburger have? So we had to solve for x. Okay. Once you have the y value to solve for x, we can plug it into the equation. We can just plug into the second one, right? X equal to 50 plus y. So 50 plus y is 320, which is 370. So that should be how many calories does a hamburger have, which is our answer. So that's it for number 19.